Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare React Native on VS Code. We'll explore how React Native empowers you to build cross-platform mobile applications with a single codebase, potentially saving hundreds of development hours. Then, we'll dive into Visual Studio Code's powerful features, like its robust debugging and extensive extension marketplace, which significantly enhance the development experience. By the end, you'll understand why this combination is often considered a top choice for modern mobile app development, offering unparalleled efficiency and flexibility. React Native offers compelling advantages for mobile development. You can write your code once and deploy it across both iOS and Android, drastically reducing development time and effort. Its hot reloading feature provides instant feedback on code changes, accelerating your workflow by several minutes per iteration. With a vast community and thousands of open-source libraries, finding solutions and implementing complex features becomes much more straightforward. This framework delivers a near-native performance, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience for your applications. Visual Studio Code truly shines when developing with React Native. Its integrated debugging tools allow you to set breakpoints and inspect variables with precision, saving you hours of troubleshooting. The rich extension marketplace offers specialized tools, such as IntelliSense for JSX and component auto-completion, boosting your coding speed by up to 20%. Furthermore, the integrated terminal and seamless Git control streamline your entire workflow, meaning fewer context switches and more focused development. It's an environment designed for maximum productivity. Combining React Native with Visual Studio Code creates an exceptionally powerful and efficient development environment. To maximize your productivity, leverage VS Code extensions like React Native tools for enhanced debugging and command execution. Utilize built-in features such as integrated Git for seamless version control and the terminal for running all your development commands. Regularly updating both React Native and VS Code ensures you benefit from the latest features, performance improvements, and security patches, keeping your workflow at its peak efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.